So you find yourself in the middle of an exam, you're working so hard, spending minutes that feel like hours just to get to this result. And you want to see, did I get this right? How can I check it in the calculator? Now, at some point to get to this spot, you probably did 17 divided by 5 in the calculator, and that's what spit out 17/5. But in order to check this, we need to turn it into a decimal. The S to D button will change this into a decimal. And what I would suggest is on your test, somewhere right off to the side, that number. Why? As we go into the calculator and let it solve the equation, it's going to create a decimal answer. So we're going to go ahead and clear this out and start to solve the equation. 3x plus 4. To get the equal symbol, it's above the calc button in pink. We'll hit alpha, calc, that generates the equal. And now the right-hand side of that equation was 21 minus 2x. The next thing we need to do to start the solve process is hit shift and then calc, and that's going to generate the solve function. Now, x equals 0 is a seed, and that's where it's a starting point to generate the actual solution. So we can leave it there for now and see if it creates a solution, or we could change that number if we would like and start at a new seed or starting point. We'll leave it at 0 for this one and hit equal. There's the actual solution. X is equal to 3.4. So we can see the answer we got was correct. And the L minus R tells us if we were to replace the X's with the value 3.4, the left-hand side of the equation would give us a number. The right-hand side would give us a number. And the calculator tells us the number we get on the left minus the number we would get on the right by plugging the 3.4 into all of our X's ends up being 0. In other words, it's an exact solution. The left and the right-hand sides have 0 difference when you plug 3.4 in as your answer. However, if this were on an exam, what would I do? I'd go back afterward and erase or scratch through all my decimal stuff and leave 17/5 boxed in, knowing that this is the right answer. Hope this helps you get some extra points on the next exam that you have coming up too. Take care and have a good one. Bye-bye.